these are the girls that participated in the polka dot collab. Link will be down below. So this is what I decided to do with the polka dots, a little freckle look. I'm using the Galaxy palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm using this purple. Is sort of like a highlight to me, so I'm just using it as that. And I'm gonna work with different purples and mauves, and you know, especially working on that smoky eye, I am blending a lot of colors in there. So I'm using these two colors to kind of blend in with a blending brush. I've already applied NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. I'm also doing that in the lower lash line. Then I'm using this kind of mauve grayish color and just kind of make a smoky eye. I'm also using the same color I use as the highlight on my lid and lower lash line. So I'm using this highlight from the Anastasia palette in the middle of my lids. I'm using this navy blue to kind of smoke it out more and make it a little bit more intense on the outer edges. I'm using a Marc Jacobs eyeliner. I'm also doing that on the top as an eyeliner, and I'm kind of gonna smoke it out a little bit. Going back to the palette, I'm using the blue highlight in my Cupid's bow and using it on top and kind of enhance the other color I already had on. I like it both together. I also use the pink right under. So blue and pink. I'm using this matte color. I really forgot what it was, but I used an eyeliner for my lips, and then I used the color on top. So I'm just using a regular paint. I bought this on Amazon as a glow in the dark, and I'm just doing polka dots in purple and pink colors. I'm also using a lighter purple also, just to like bring it out a little more and give it a little bit more dimension. I also used the lighter on my lips. I hope you liked it. Bye.